I'm designer Shirley Marcano, and today I'm going to show you how to use Rust-Oleum's metallic primer and paint in one in the oil rub bronze. I ended up buying a brand new office desk, and the legs were not quite the color that I had imagined. They were supposed to be silver, however, they ended up being a sad metallic gray. And I don't do well with sad, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint that sadness away into a beautiful, happy oil rub bronze color, which will also match the rest of my home. Now, if you stay tuned, I will show you exactly what materials you'll need, as well as share some photos from before and after. First, you'll need a can of Rust-Oleum metallic primer and paint in one. It comes in different colors and finishes, but I chose to go with oil rub bronze. Next, you'll need some protective eyewear, which you can find at any hardware store, 400 grit sandpaper, a microfiber rag to wipe off the dust after sanding, disposable or reusable latex gloves, or any other protective kind of glove. Last, but certainly not least, is a charcoal respirator mask. This is the most important item, as our lungs cannot extract any dust particles that we might inhale while we're sanding, whether it's dust, metal, or anything of the sort. Also, it'll keep the toxic fumes away. With safety covered, we're ready now to sand. I find these 400 grit sandpaper sheets at Home Depot, and you can just wrap it around and cover two sides at once, or you can just go in circular motion. The goal here is to get rid of the sheen so that the primer and paint can adhere better, and this also helps with durability in your project. Once the surface is prepped, we are now ready to spray paint, and that is the fun part. Don't forget to shake the spray paint can often, and also make sure to administer the spray paint in continuous sideways motions as illustrated. This will ensure a more even paint job. In 30 minutes, you'll be able to provide a second coat if necessary, or an hour depending on the humidity outdoors, and at which point you can also add a third coat if necessary to cover any spots that have been missed. This product does an amazing job, and as you can see, it can be used on not only wood and metal, but plastics and masonry, so it's kind of a miracle worker. My spray paint job project has come to a conclusion, and here's the finalized product. Not bad, it looks just like oil rub bronze. Once I fully trusted this product, I went ahead and restored some of my screen door hardware. Here's the final product. And of course, here is the fully finished table. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you were able to learn enough to find the courage and confidence to tackle some of your own spray and painting jobs around your home. Now let me know what you think about the final product in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and lots of love.